Samsung fans, buckle up! After ditching S Pen support on the Z Fold series and even nerfing the S25 Ultra stylus, Samsung might finally be making things right. A fresh patent hints that the highly anticipated Trifold smartphone, rumored to be the Galaxy G Fold, could bring back the beloved S Pen, complete with a dedicated slot. But that's just the beginning. This device could redefine the foldable market. Let's dive in. According to 91 Mobiles, a newly discovered Samsung patent granted on February 25th shows a trifold phone with an S Pen compartment, volume and power buttons on top, and a USB-C port at the bottom. This means we're looking at a foldable that not only supports the S Pen but might fully integrate it, unlike previous Fold models. That's a big deal for productivity users who love Samsung's stylus experience. But here's where things get even more exciting. This isn't just a bigger fold, it's a different one. Instead of the long, narrow design of the Z Fold 6, the Galaxy G Fold is shaping up to be shorter and wider, more like Samsung's Flex G concept. Unlike Huawei's Mate X series, which folds outward in a zigzag, Samsung's method keeps the inner screen safe by folding both sides inward. It's like origami meets next-gen tech. And let's talk about that screen. Leaks suggest a massive 9.96-inch foldable display, an upgrade from the 7.6-inch screen on the Z Fold 6. Plus, a 6.54-inch secondary screen for everyday use. That's almost a tablet when unfolded and a compact phone when closed. Perfect for multitasking, gaming, or just flexing on your iPhone using friends. But before we get too hyped, there's a twist. Tipster Max Jamber recently dropped a bombshell. The G Fold might be delayed. Instead of launching this summer with the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, it could be pushed back by 6 months, likely landing in September or October alongside Samsung's FE series or flagship tablets. A letdown? Maybe. But if it means refining the design and software, it could be worth the wait. So, what do you think? Does the return of the S Pen, the triple fold design, and massive screen upgrade make up for the delay? Or is this just another chapter in Samsung's foldable roller coaster? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest updates. Check out our other videos on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and upcoming Samsung innovations, linked right here. See you in the next one.